Leave a treat on the floor and tap the floor twice. Do it a few times. Tap the floor twice. Then drop a treat. Repeat a few times. Tap the floor twice. And give your cute cat a treat. Repeat a few times.
Congratulations! Your cat can do its first trick!
This is
Sit.
easy.
Sit.
You just have to do what's on the video. This might take time, but it's worth it.
Turn around. Super.
Say spin and slowly recreate what's on the video holding a treat. This might take time. Do the
Turn
gesture
around.
faster.
Super.
Amazing! Your cat is doing so well!
How to give a paw. Tell your beautiful cat to give a paw. And take a paw gently while giving it a treat.
Give a paw.
Repeat until it looks like this.
This was hard, but keep going!
Say stand up and hold a treat slightly above cat's head. Slowly hold your hand
Great baby.
higher every time until it looks like this.
Your cat is so talented!
High five.
If your baby does previous tricks, cat will touch your hand eventually. And don't forget to say high five.
Do you want to show the tricks that your cat has learnt? We will show your cat! In the next video, if you send a video of your baby doing tricks to chillandcats3@gmail.com. We are really proud of you and your kitty! Behind the scenes!
Luna, no. Give a paw. Jump. No, don't turn around. You should jump. Great baby. Jump. Jump. No, don't. What are you doing?
Thanks for watching! 3 by